The arrest and paralysis of a man while in New Haven police custody from nearly 6 months ago is still impacting the city and the police department. 5 New Haven officers are now facing charges for how they handled the arrest of Randy Cox. Channel 3 Eyewitnesses reporter Audrey Rousseau is live at the police station. And Audrey, again, those officers have turned themselves in.
Wendell, that's right. And we've learned that noted civil rights attorney Benjamin Crump will be speaking today on behalf of the Cox legal team. He'll be talking this afternoon at 1 o'clock, and he's going to be addressing the 5 officers who did turn themselves in. They're facing charges of reckless endangerment and cruelty to persons, and that all stems from that fateful ride that Randy Cox took in the back of a New Haven police transport van when he was arrested back in June. Now, in that video, you can see that when the driver stops short, Randy Cox was thrown headfirst into the side of that van. The officers dragged Cox out of the van feet first, despite Cox telling them he couldn't move. Now, after a review of the incident, Connecticut State Police issued warrants for the 5 officers involved. They are Betsy Segui, officers Oscar Diaz, Ronald Presley, Jocelyn Lavendier, and Louis Rivera. Now, city officials, along with retired State Police Lieutenant and Channel 3 law enforcement analyst J.D. Vance, responded to the news of the charges.
As I've said from day one, the City of New Haven is committed to accountability for all individuals involved in this tragic incident. And today's announcement by the state's attorney is a significant step in that process.
This is nothing that's taken lightly by any police department in Connecticut or across the country.
Now, there is an expectation that there will be an internal affairs investigation on the part of New Haven Police now that there is a criminal case moving forward. All 5 officers are on paid administrative leave at this time, but what happens to them next all depends on what plays out in the courtroom. Live in front of the New Haven Police Department, Audrey Rousseau for Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, thanks, Audrey.